Good morning, Bell Central host! Remember yung ating mirror games. A mirror game, we start with 15,000. Remember that using the mirror game, yung luckiness ay naiipit sa loob lamang ng ating panel. So yung lucky ng number 1 hanggang sa number 9 naiipit. Tuloy natin ang discussion sa mirror games. Ang mirror games was actually invented by many people. Originally sa Bell Central, ang gumawa niyan, si Mar Ashley at saka si Agent Eds. So, baon kayo ng 15,000, lahat kayo 15,000. Sabay Part 3, Part 3 sa Mirror Egg. So, lahat kayo, magbibigayan kayo, magpapasahan kayo ng 15 eggs. Tapos, second lucky throw, another 15 eggs, halimbawa. Before kayo mag-third lucky throw, you will ask each other, magkano? Last, part 4. So, 1 to 2, throw. Tapos, yung bago mag-3, trade. Tapos, 3 to 4, bago mag-5, trade. Always, magte-trade kayo doon sa kapasidad ng isa't isa. Okay? Halimbawa, 1 and so, using the mirror games, you will be able to teach each other how to trade, how to do the lucky throws, and syempre, habang nag-mirror games kayo, nagkakakilala kayo, nag-uusap-usap kayo. So, mirror games are binding forces din sa loob ng ating tutorial.